China is building something that is shocking the world. And this time, it's not a phone, not a car, and not even a military weapon. It's humanoid robots. But these are not the slow robots people imagined years ago. These machines can walk, balance, carry objects, recognize people, respond to commands, and even learn from their surroundings. Some of them move so naturally that people online are calling them too real. And honestly, that reaction makes sense. Because the future people saw in science fiction is starting to appear in real life. Right now, inside huge technology labs and factories across China, companies are racing to build advanced AI-powered humanoid robots faster than almost anyone expected. And the scary part is not just how intelligent they are becoming, it's how quickly they are improving. A few years ago, most humanoid robots struggled to walk properly. Today, some can run, lift boxes, climb stairs, sort products, and interact with humans naturally. Every year, they become faster, smarter, and more realistic. And China wants to lead this entire industry. Why? Because China understands something very important. The next technological revolution may not just happen online through apps and software. It may happen in the physical world through intelligent machines. That changes everything. For years, robots worked inside factories, doing repetitive tasks, but they were limited. They couldn't adapt to changing environments like humans can. They needed controlled spaces and strict instructions. Now, artificial intelligence is changing that completely. Modern humanoid robots use AI vision systems, sensors, machine learning, and real-time data processing. Instead of blindly repeating tasks, they can observe environments, recognize objects, adjust movements, and respond to situations much more naturally. That's the real breakthrough. The robot is no longer just a machine following commands. It's becoming a machine that can understand its surroundings. And when people see these robots moving naturally for the first time, it creates a strange feeling. Many people feel impressed, but also uncomfortable, because these machines look increasingly human, and this is only the beginning. China is not building humanoid robots just for entertainment or social media videos. The goal is much bigger. Factories, warehouses, hospitals, delivery systems, security, elder care. China wants robots working in real industries, and maybe eventually in everyday life. Now think about this for a second. Imagine walking into a factory late at night. Instead of hundreds of workers, you see humanoid robots carrying materials, operating equipment, and moving across the floor non-stop. No breaks, no sleep, no slowing down. That future is already starting. And companies are paying close attention because humanoid robots solve a major problem. Most workplaces are designed for humans. Doors, tools, stairs, and equipment all fit human bodies. Traditional robots struggle in those environments. But humanoid robots are designed to move like people, which means they can potentially work inside existing human spaces without companies rebuilding entire factories. That makes them extremely valuable. And once these robots become cheaper, adoption could spread very quickly. But here's the part making experts nervous. The real power is not only the robot body, it's the AI inside it. Because AI allows robots to improve over time, a robot connected to cloud systems can receive updates, learn tasks faster, and share improvements across networks. Imagine one robot learning something new, and then thousands of robots instantly receiving the same improvement. That changes the speed of technological growth completely. And China is investing heavily in all of it. AI chips, robot manufacturing, sensors, battery systems, automation infrastructure. This is not random experimentation. It's a massive technological strategy. And when China scales manufacturing, things usually happen very fast. That's why the world is watching closely. Because Many experts believe humanoid robots could become as important as smartphones one day. At first, they seem expensive and unnecessary. Then suddenly, they become normal. Now, imagine how this could affect jobs.